Say, Duke, drop.
Drop.
Be nice. Get the ball.
I can get it.
You can get it. He won't hurt you. Did you get it?
Yeah. Good.
Good boy.
I get it.
Just use your words. Say, Duke, drop.
Duke,
Drop the ball. Drop the ball. You gotta get it. He's waiting for you to take it.
Hey. Hey.
Don't yell at him. Just take the ball. Use both hands. It's okay. Use both hands and take the ball. Like this. What? You're a good boy. Thank you. See?
Hey.
Okay, now he's ready to catch it.
Now what?
Good boy.
I know.
Sit down.
Good girl.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, ready? Are you ready? Can you catch it? Good boy. Okay. Good job. Okay, let him get ready. Yay! He caught it! Good boy! Are you ready for another one? Go. Okay, ready? Woo! Good boy! Okay, he's ready. Look at him catch that ball. Good boy. You want to do it again? Say, Duke, sit. Whoop. Well, that didn't go very far.
Here I go.
Yeah. Come here. You want to see Duke's trick? Here, let me have it. Thank you. Okay, now watch. Watch what Duke can do. Down.
Down now.
Roll over. Oh, that was spin. Okay, lay down. There you go. Roll over. Good boy. Sit. Shake. Good boy. You want the ball so bad. Woo! Good job. Good job, Dukey. Good boy. I know you're so happy. Okay, he's going to catch it again. You want to throw it? He's ready. Oh, good catch. I know, you want to see those birds. Come here, buddy. Good job. Drop. You can hold it. There you go. Good throw. I know she doesn't throw that hard, huh?
Yay! Here it goes.
Okay, come here. Drop. Let Mommy throw this one, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Not you, Goofy. Whoop.
Oopsie.
Oopsies. Go underneath.